If you don't know how can you record your iOS screen using any kind of platform, using Mac, using Windows, or using Linux, you can use this trick. So if you want to know about that trick, you can watch this video until the last. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And I want to give thank you all of you for subscribing my YouTube channel. Lots people are subscribing my YouTube channel to get more knowledge about the technology. I love to share my knowledge to everyone in free of cost, and hoping that you will learning something from my YouTube channel. Hello everyone, it's me Dipesh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And if you want to learn more about the technology and more lots tricks, and you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. So without any late, let's begin our video. So to download this software, just go to in Google and just type a power mirror, or you can directly go in the apowershop.com/phone minus mirror. So from here you can download the software and we can install it. It will take time. Now you can see here it's very uh, small size file. So I'm going to here and I'm just running the setup, and after this just click in the yes. Then it will take some time. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Now you can see here it's telling me that the install language, and it's asking me the directory, so it's okay for me. That's why I'm clicking in the just click in the I agree, then just click in the install. Okay, so it's installing the file and it will take some time. I think it depends on in the internet connection. It will pull all the data from its server. So now you can see here is my Power Mirror is already installed successfully. So after this you have to click in the open now. Okay, now it's opening. Now you can see it's giving me the three options. The first option is guest, second is free account, and the third option is for the VIP account. Okay, now you can see the specification also here. So in this time I think I don't want to use anything, so I'm just closing this one. Now you can see here it's telling me that connect via USB to enable game keyboard. Okay, so I think this is for the Android maybe. Okay, so enjoy mobile games on PC with game keyboard functions. Default key setting for PUBG. Okay, so it's okay for me. So just wait for a moment. I'm just going to for iOS. Okay, and it's giving me the instruction also here. Please make sure your PC and phone are connected in the same network. Okay, so it's giving me my IP address also. So after this just wait for a moment. I'm just connecting my device. I'm just connecting my Android, sorry, my iOS to my just wait for a moment. So now I'm connecting my iOS to my PC. So now it's connected. In my computer screen it's opening. Now from here I just connected. Just you have to open the mirroring, and now you can see here is a power soft. Okay, so it's amazing service. Now my screen is mirroring in my PC, you can see here also. So just wait for a moment. It will take some time. So but for this one you have to enable that one. If you didn't enable the mirroring options, in that case it will not work. That's why you have to mirror that one. Okay, So now you can see this is the interface of a power meter, and from here you can mirror your iOS screen. Now I'm closing this one, and now you can see I'm again opening this one, and this is uh, uh, the the dashboard of a power meter, and from here Android, from your iOS, and from here the TV also, and you can mirror your from the USB connection also. But in this time I'm just closing this one. Before also I already told you about that. Okay, so from the USB connection and from the Wi-Fi connection, you can connect that in using both method. But for this method you have to connect your both device in same network. Okay, and another software also available, that is also very powerful. You can this one. Okay, this one is iPhone screen recorder, and from here, so first of all I'm connecting my uh, iPad. Now you can see from here I'm it's telling that doctor something something, and I'm just opening the mirroring, and now you can see the iOS screen recorder is working right now, but the slogan of iOS screen recorder is right here in my left corner. So using this both software, you can mirror your iOS device in any kind of platform. You can use it from the Mac also, you can use it from the uh, Windows also, but you have to connect both device in same network. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hoping that you understand something from this video. You will learn how can you record your iOS screen using your PC, using your Mac. Okay, so if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. Don't forget to give me comment and share this video to your friends, family. Okay, who are trying to record their iOS screen in using their PC, so it will be very helpful for them also. So that's why you have to share this video. And if you like the if you learn something from this video, give me a like also. And to connect with me, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel also. And thank you so much for once again for subscribing my YouTube channel. Lots of people are subscribe me, and thank you so much for once again. And I'll meet with you another video. Goodbye, see you again.